So I don't say I have one or two co-founders. I say I have 70, 80 co-founders in the company. From RM level to CEO level, we have co-founders in the company. People, if you come to our office, you will see people working even at a RM, the lowest part of our company level. They will work like this. That is their company. So we always strike like this, that we are not building this company for exit. We are building this company for our next generation, that they don't have to make their CVs. They will say, मेरे पापा का company है, मैं वही job करूँगा.
The grit and the passion and the vision that you brought on the table, plus the deep understanding of the domain that you and your team showed, I think those were the two very strong positives that at least I came out of after meeting you in the first few meetings.
Home loan is a complex product. It can never be done completely online. It can never be done completely offline. So you have to make some kind of hybrid journey or phygital journey, as we call. We started it as basic home loan that will solve the problem of housing in India. We want to get rid of slums.
I would love to also understand, about our relationship. Where do you think, Bertelsmann have helped you?
I got to know he's also from IT Delhi, so that actually eased me कि ठीक है senior ही है यार, कोई बात नहीं.
I would say that probably it worked in your favor that you didn't have a PPT, because people who know me know that I'm an Excel junkie.
Yeah.
So probably that was a blessing in disguise. Again, luck playing a role, no?
See, mission is simple. We, as I told you, that we want to get rid of slums.
Yeah.
It's a very 30,000-40,000 feet view ki a simple statement, and I think that can be done if we enter more into tier 2, tier 3 cities. We actually did a case of a Shamshan Ghat owner.
Okay.
He wanted 4 crore rupees to buy a house. Firstly, I was surprised कि इतनी कमाई है.
You are actually seeing the entire home loan universe in India,
Yeah.
while the a bank, one of the top banks, etc., would be seeing only a fraction of that.
Yes.
Why did you take Bertelsmann money first?
It was available first term sheet. With Bertelsmann's experience, Rohit's experience, your experience, sir, you have seen multiple people like me that what they've done in the past. So that is actually a learning for me. So we book a meeting for 1 hour or 2 hours. It always lands up for 3 hours or 4 hours.
I love it.
By the way, we don't believe in one-hour meetings. If you are going into a particular topic and going into the nitty-gritties of it at the ground level, how can you discuss something in 1 hour and go?